In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an Amana PTAC control board. Be sure to unplug the unit from the power source before starting. First, remove the PTAC cover and then remove all the screws from the face. It'll reveal the old control board. Next, what you're going to want to do is disconnect the ribbon from the board. Just give it a little pull, a little tug, and it should come out cleanly. Next, you're going to want to ready the new control board. Remove the screws from the old board. Next, you're going to want to begin slowly moving components from the old board to the new board. You could take your time with this. I went from the right side and went counterclockwise. Everything is color coordinated so you could find where the components go if you lose track. Red to red, blue to blue, yellow to yellow. Then I used a pair of pliers just like that to slowly remove these components from the top of the board. Again, note the color of the wires. This will be important when you're reassembling these components onto the board. Red wire with the sticker that says RD, black with the sticker that says BK, and so on. These should pop right into place. Just give them a little pressure and they'll fit right in. From here, it's simple. Just remove each cable and reattach it as you go along. This will help you keep track of where you were and where you're going and make the process super smooth and easy. If you're having trouble removing the components from the board, just be patient. Tug it a little bit. Usually they'll come out right away and they're pretty easy to click in. Again, I went one by one with each component, removed it from the old board and placed it in the corresponding place on the new board. This made it very easy to track and made the whole process a lot smoother. With most of these cables, all it takes is a little bit of a pull to get them out of their sockets, and they really click in super easily to the new board. Here's some more color coordination, red to red, blue to blue. The stickers make it very easy to assemble. And there you have it. All the old wires have now been replaced onto the new board and we're ready to screw in the brand new board to the PTAC. Screwing the new board in should only take a couple moments. Pretty simple. Next, you're going to want to reconnect the panel ribbon to the board. It should pop in very quickly, very easily. Just make sure all the prongs are aligned. And then you're going to want to screw in the control board face back to the unit. We're speeding it up here just to save a little time. Next, you're just going to want to place the cover back on the unit. Make sure it's set in place and locked in. Next, it's time to test out the unit to see if it works. Success! The new unit is fully installed and functional. The Amana Control Board works with the Amana G, E, and A series of DigiSmart PTAC units. Thanks for watching. If you're looking to upgrade your PTAC system, don't forget to check out the Amana Control Board featured in this video. Visit TotalHomeSupply.com to get your hands on this top quality board and other essential PTAC parts. Click the link in the description and get your system running like new today.